Hi everyone, NASA Space App Challenge 2025 is back and it's the world's largest hackathon. So let's deep dive into it, how you are going to apply and how you can win some prizes and how your project is going to select. I will explain you every detail, so please watch this vlog till the end. Whether you are a coder, designer, storyteller, engineer, artist, or just someone who loves solving problems, this is your chance to team up with innovators from around the globe, collaborate with NASA and partner agencies, and make a difference, and also do networking with like minded people. What this challenge is about. It's a global annual hackathon coordinated by NASA that brings together thousands of creative minds to address challenges using NASA's open source data. Let's dive into the important dates. Registration are already opens from 17th of July. Registration will close on 7th of September and hackathon will start from 4th of October and it will end on 5th of October. So let's see all the details. Location will be in person if you want to attend into the local location, and if you don't want to attend you can choose universal event. I will explain how you are going to apply in the later part of the video. Hackathon dates will be 4th and 5th October. It is 36 hours of hackathon. Eligibility will be participant must be 18 plus year above. Team size will be 2 to 6 member. You cannot apply as a solo. Registration is absolutely free and last date will be 7th of September. Once you go to this link, you are able to do registration. Okay, so why you should join this hackathon? You can solve real world challenges. You can build future ready skill. You can improve your teamwork, creativity, technical knowledge. If your project is selected by NASA, you will get global recognition and it will reach to worldwide audience. You can do network with experts. You can collaborate with mentors, engineers, scientists and change maker. Guys, you can win existing prizes. Local and global winners receive awards, certification and swag. So don't miss this chance. You can make a real impact. Create innovative solutions that contribute to Earth and space mission. How it is working? So you can do register through this official website. Okay, let's go back to that page. Once you click on this link, you will be redirected here. You can create account. Once this step is finished, step number 2 is you can register for the hackathon. Step number 3 is choose location. This part is most important. Based on your country, our country is India, you can choose any location, local location, where are you from, and you can participate. If you want to participate in person, you can choose any local location for this hackathon. Okay, it's for global, so it is also available for United States and different country also. It's not specific to India, it's global hackathon, so it is available for every location. You can choose United States for any other location or local location also. And if you don't want to go in person and your local location is not available in this list, you can feel free to choose universal event. Hope this part is clear. Next, once it is done, you are able to join local community. Next, you need to form a team. You cannot join a solo. You need to form a team of 2 to 6 participation. Then you can attend pre-event briefing. After that, during hackathon weekend, it is opening from 4th October and it will end on 5th October. It is totally 36 hours of our hackathon and it's doing collaboration, my brainstorming, and you can build your solution with access to mentor and expert guide. After that, You need to present your idea to play panel of local judges. Top teams will be nominated for NASA's global judging round. So don't wait. You just need to register now. Let's innovate for Earth, let's build for the future, and let's code for the stars. Guys, please, if you like this content, my content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so it motivates me to bring more opportunity with you that help you in your career. So just like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.